Yo, what's up? So I'm gonna teach you the easiest way to multicam in Premiere Pro. So you're gonna go ahead, get your audio track, make it its own sequence, its own timeline, whatever you want to call it. You're gonna want to find your sync point. Looks like mine is right here. The sync point is essential. You have to have the sync point. If you don't have the sync point, I don't know how you're gonna multicam, because you have to have the sync point. So you sync up every single other clip to this same exact clap. Go ahead. I know each file. I've already dropped them into Premiere, but click on your files for your first camera. Right click, new sequence. Go ahead and make sure that they're in the right order. 22, 23, whatever. I know it's 24. And then we're gonna go ahead and find the sync point here. It looks like maybe, oh, I see. So he's lifted his hands, he claps right there. So we'll go ahead and find the frame where he's clapping, right click, ripple delete. That's for the first clip. So we're gonna do this 3 more times, because I have 4 cameras. So there's 20, 21, 22 on the next camera. Right click, create new sequence, find the clap. Looks like it's probably right here. Go ahead, delete this, ripple delete. So there is, you can see we have 4 different cameras, all on the clap, on the sync point. We also have this, which obviously you can't see, but on the clap. Let me just make sure that is as perfectly synced as possible. Alright, so what you're going to do is lock your audio track, because you're going to want this audio track. This is your main audio track. And you're going to go ahead and drop in each of these clips. You'll see right here, there's a different picture than if it's not clipped. You can see the difference here. This one is a sequence. These ones are just normal clips. So you go ahead and drop those in. And you don't really care about these audio tracks because you're just going to get rid of them. So go ahead and lock all of these, get rid of those audio tracks. And so once you have all 4 of your cameras as well as the audio track all synced up at the very first frame, you're going to want to select all of them by shift clicking, right click, nest the sequence. It doesn't matter what you name it, I'm just going to keep it as nested sequence 01. And then once you have this nested sequence, it's going to make 2 tracks instead of having all 4. So you right click, multi-camera, enable. And so if you don't have the multi-camera view already here under your play button, you just go ahead and click plus, find it over here. Where's it at? Right there. And then just drag and drop it on. But I already have it, so I don't have to do that. And boom, you see all 4 multicams. Let's go ahead and try and play them for a second, just so you can see that they're all synced and moving.
Alright, cool. Yeah, we got probably like 20 seconds at this point, right?
Alright.
Yeah, you can see, I'll zoom in, I'll scoot in a little bit, just so you can see that they're all synced.
Take a walk, get away. I know you hate it when the crowd
That's easily the most efficient way to multicam. Trying to use the whatever Premiere multicam plugins does not work. So I do this and it works every time. I never have any issues. Yeah. So I was going to just say a little bit about how the multicam works. I'm going to say, so if you play it, and if you click any 4 of these while it's playing, it will switch on the beat. So I just did a little, but you can see exactly where I switched it, which is nice if you just want to go through and switch on the beats while you're listening to it in real time. But also you could just go ahead and cut wherever you want, and then just make sure that your marker is on the clip that you want to change. If it's right here, it's going to change this clip. So make sure that it is back at least 1 frame and on this, and then boom, changes just like that.